Not again. Oh, Ted. Oh,
no. You have to stop doing that. Ugh. Ugh. Why is you doing that on my bed? Oh, my God.
Heel, Gino! Heel, Gino! Gino, no! Gino, that's a turtle! You're not fucking anything, you're just hitting the shell! Off, Gino!
What the fuck?
What do you have? What the heck?
There you go, Bailey. Yep.
Ihr Blick.
Alles gut?
Ui.
Ja, dann hast du gesagt,
Jetzt stecken wir die Bakterien so viel.
Ate my damn weed. He can't even can't do shit now. Look. Somebody help this nigga. Somebody help this nigga. Look at him. Diesel. Let's go. Come on, boy. Let's go. Look. High ass. Oh, shit. Look. Stay out my shit, man. Damn, you be doing too damn much, bro. What the fuck?
What you doing?
Get him up. Get him.
Jimmy, you want some crawfish, Jimmy? Jimmy! Hey, you want
One pup never misses leg day.
I wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper. He's overstimulated, literally humping everyone.
My dog will not let me blow dry my hair for the fucking life of me. Watch.
He's holding it with his hands! Hi, buddy! Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Hi, buddy! Oh!
Peace. Do you want to go home?
Hey, come here, Doug. Come here. No.
Dog, watch this. Look at my hand. Watch this dumbass dog. There you go. Look at it. God damn. Get your dumb ass back over here. Look, I'm gonna show him ain't nothing in my hand. You see it? You see it? Here you go. There you go. God damn.
Oh, it looks like Theo! Are you fucking kidding me? Come on. Oh, get in the house. Oh, God, are you okay? Oh, it's okay. I'm okay. Get in the house. Oh, no, come on. Get in the house. Theo, are you kidding? Oh, my God. Theo, go. Let's go. In the house. I'm sorry.
A piece of steak. You ready? What do you think? Another piece? Good stuff, huh?
Yes, I know there's chickens.
A damn dog done jumped in the damn drive-through damn window, bro. The hell wrong with this nigga? Kilo! A damn dog done jumped out the damn. My bad.